Hi friends, today we are going to do another problem on bank reconciliation statement. We can start. The OD as per cash book 10,000, check paid into bank not cleared, check issued but not encashed, interest on investment collected, bank interest on OD, then bank charges. Since we have been given with only the balance as per accountant's record, obviously we would be starting with balance as per cash book. The only thing you have to be very careful as far as a question which gives overdraft balance, OD facility, just put this figure in minus, in brackets. This is the only thing you have to do. Rest we will be doing just like what we did for the last problems. Don't get too much complicated like it's an asset for the bank, so once you deposit the check it will be reducing the liability. That is the real scenario, but that we will be dealing with while we will be going through the chapter 2 on recording of transactions, where you would be maintaining cash book with 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, etc. But for the preparation of bank reconciliation statement in the exam, it's better. The only thing you have to concern about is putting this figure in minus figure. That is the only concern. We can check each transaction one by one. Check paid into bank but not cleared means accountant deposited the check with the bank. Accountant collected the check from customer and deposited it with the bank. The transaction is complete as far as accountant is concerned. What the accountant has done actually means in the books, he might increase his balance or would it get decreased. Once we get a collection from the customer, obviously it would increase our balance. It would increase our balance. So the accountant increased his balance by 1,100. Now we are preparing bank reconciliation statement. We have taken balance as per accountant's books. We need to get the balance as per passbook. We need to reach to the balance as per passbook. For that, we need to think what the bank has done as far as this transaction is concerned. What the bank has done? Bank has done nothing because it is not cleared. The transaction is not complete as far as bank is concerned. So bank has done nothing. So in order to reach to bank's balance, we need to reverse what this accountant has done. We need to reverse. He obviously increased his balance. So we need to decrease. We need to decrease 1,100. Now, second transaction. Check issued but not encashed. Check issued means the accountant prepared the check, got the signatory, got the signature from the owner or the authorized signatory and handed over this check to the party or to the supplier. So once he hand over, the transaction is complete as far as accountant is concerned. Now we need to think the effect of the transaction. It will be decreasing our bank balance or would it get increased? Once we hand over the check, obviously it will decrease our balance. So the accountant decreased his balance. Accountant decreased his balance. Now, we started with balance as per accountant's record, cash book. We need to get the balance as per bank. For that, we need to think what the bank has done as far as this transaction is concerned. What the bank has done? Bank has done nothing. Why? Because it is specified issued but not encashed. This check, the party who collected the check not yet presented the check to bank. So this transaction is not complete as far as bank is concerned. Bank has done nothing. Bank has done nothing. So in order to reach to bank's balance, we need to reverse what the accountant has done, what the first party has done. Since the first party, the accountant, reduced his balance, we will be reversing his action. We will be reversing his action. Now, third transaction. Interest on investment collected by bank. Means we have some investment like investment in equity shares, mutual funds or debentures, some kind of instruments. And the bank has collected the interest on investment. So we need to think what the bank has done. Once the bank collects the interest, will it be increasing our bank balance or will it be decreasing our bank balance? Obviously, bank once collect, it will be increasing our balance. Bank is increasing our bank balance. Now, we have been starting with balance as per accountant's record. We need to get the balance as per bank. For that, we need to do what the bank has done. Bank increased our balance. Obviously, we need to increase. Next one, bank interest on OD. Bank took the interest on OD. Once the bank took the interest, what will happen to our bank balance? Would it get increased or would it get decreased? Obviously, it's a facility given by bank and the bank will be taking the money from our account as telling it is an interest on OD. So bank decreased our balance. Now, we start with balance as per accountant's record and we need to get the balance as per bank. So for that, we need to do what the bank has done. Bank decreased our balance. Obviously, we need to decrease. Next transaction, bank charges. Obviously, what the bank would have been done? Bank again decreased our balance because bank is charging some kind of charges for the services. So again, we start with balance as per accountant's record and we need to get the balance as per bank. For that, we need to do what the bank has done. Bank decreased our balance. Obviously, it would be decreasing. Now, we have addressed all the transaction. We need to make a sum. So this will be balance as per passbook. So this is the way we need to do the problem when it is given with OD, overdraft facility. Don't get too much complicated, as I once said. Like it will be bank charges, obviously OD will be increasing. Don't think like that for the preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Just think that we are having a normal balance. But if it is OD, it should put in minus figure. Rest, all the transactions we need to think, we need to do same like what we did as a normal deposit account. So this is the problem for today. Just practice the problem. If you have any doubt regarding the effect of any transaction in preparation of bank reconciliation statement, do let me know by way of comment. I'll be getting back to you as early as possible. So we are winding up. Okay then, bye-bye.